What up? It's Sam, Custom Homes Building and Remodeling. If you haven't already, like my business page, click to subscribe. A friend of mine called me the other day and he wanted me to take a look at his steps. His wife was pregnant and they needed to start baby proofing the place. The steps look like this before. And he really wanted it to look like this. All right, so I came in, I took a look at the steps. I knew what needed to be done. We were gonna have to fill the back. We did have a couple hurdles in trying to solve the equation for these steps. He had some matching wood that he had in his garage, but that particular brand of wood they discontinued, and because they discontinued the brand of wood, they also discontinued the stair nose for that particular flooring. So what we had to do is we had to lay new treads down, and let me take you inside and show you what that looked like. Alright, here are the floating steps we're going to be working on. I got my main man, Wayne, doing some demo on the carpet. Alright, so we're going to be filling in all of these areas over here, and then I'm going to be staining the tread. So I'll bring that process to you. So you can see that we pulled all the carpet off of the steps, and we made sure that we took out any screws, tacks, or anything like that that would have been part of the carpet. My guys have already started sealing off the back of the steps to no longer make it a falling hazard for the baby. So the next step that we're gonna do is we're gonna continue coming all the way down to fill all those steps. Meanwhile, while those guys are working on the steps, I'm going to be working on sanding and opening up these pores on these treads so it could accept a nice stain. You always got to make sure that you have the right equipment. Nasal protection with my mask, eye protection, gloves, and my sander. I'm going to start with 80 grit sandpaper and then work my way down to a smooth finish. This is the phase that we're in. Right now, my guy is just checking to make sure all of these are fit pretty flush. You can see it from the last video. We have all of these set in the way that they wanted. I'll show you upstairs as well. All right, all we got to do now is just stain and seal all the treads. We have some filling in that we have to do at the very top of where the tread hits that step and that lip, and then paint, and then we're done. All right, so I already stained the first set of treads. I'm setting up. I already got my stain and my semi-gloss finish on top. Now I'm setting up the other row to try to finalize it. Wrapping up on this little stair project that I brought to you earlier. I'm a little sweaty because I'm a ferocious cleaner. The goal for any contractor should be to leave the place cleaner than when you got there. So let me take you aside. Let me just show you what we did with the stair renovation and how it turned out. All right, and this is the new stairway. Right, we obviously you can see that we painted on the insides, and we did all the treads walking up. All right, I'll show you. I think this stairway came out really nice. We ended up painting all the rails as well to give this a final touch. Lastly, we added this little custom detail on the bottom of the stairway to close it off and make it look nice. All right, so thanks for joining in. If you haven't already, click to subscribe. Like my business page. I hope to bring you a lot more content like this. Various projects from renovations, the whole house renovations, to little, gizmo gadgets type of thing. So thanks for joining me. Have a good day.